Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my December Ipsy unbagging video. I used to call it unboxing, but technically these are bags, so they're unbagging videos, okay? If you're unfamiliar with what the Ipsy Glam Bag is, it's a monthly subscription service that you sign up for. There's 3 different tiers within the Glam Bag world that you can select. So there's the standard Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. There's the Glam Bag Plus, that is $25 a month. And then there's the Glam Bag Deluxe, which is like the Big Daddy glam bag. I'm an Ipsy ambassador, which means they send me these bags to share with you guys. But if you sign up yourself, you actually get to handpick some of the items that go in your bags. So if you are interested in signing up, I will link their website down below and you can kind of check out all the different selections and prices and stuff like that for the Glam Bag subscription. So it looks like the theme this month is like sweaters or something like that. Both of the Glam Bag Plus and the standard Glam Bag remind me of like Sherpa sweaters. So here's the standard Glam Bag. They always send you a little makeup bag, which I think is so cool. I find so many uses for these little makeup bags. They're good for traveling to put like electronic cords in. When I packed my hospital bag for when I had my son, I had so many like little pouches and bags of things like snacks and, you know, women things, baby things. They're great for organizing. It actually looks like the theme is called Home for the Holidays, not sweaters. So okay, so let's open up our standard Glam Bag. There's actually 2 products that are too big to fit in here. That does happen on occasion, so I think we'll talk about those 2 things first. The first thing is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I've actually heard really good things about this mascara. I've personally never tried it before, but I have heard lots of people rave about this, so I'm pretty dang excited about that. The standard Glam Bag, that's $12 a month, has deluxe size samples in it, by the way, so this is a deluxe size sample. The next thing in there is a powder brush. It says powder on there. It looks like it's by the brand, ooh, I can't read that. Bean something? I'll put it on the screen. I love the fact that you get brushes with your Glam Bag subscription. I feel like every single month you get some sort of brush. I am a makeup brush fanatic. I love brushes. I feel like I can never have enough brushes. And with a subscription service like this, you get brands and brushes that you never would have otherwise known about or even thought to purchase yourself. So I love that about this. So this looks like it's a powder brush. Really soft. This is a great size for blush. Okay, now inside the bag we have Benefit Porefessional. I used to love Benefit Porefessional. It's not my favorite primer anymore. This is just an itty bitty tiny, I mean it is a deluxe size sample, but this is like an itty bitty deluxe size sample. I know my sister really likes that, so I will probably give that to her. The next thing in here is by Purlisse. I can never say this right. Purlisse. I have had stuff from this brand before. This is their 4-in-1 eye serum. Okay, I like eye serums because I usually like will layer an eye cream on top of it. So it's like it's an extra step, but it's like an extra boost in like eye goodness. Brighten the eye area. It's anti-inflammatory. It helps prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Helps decrease dark circles. Okay, well, all the good things that you could ever ask for in an eye cream. This is a teeny tiny little thing, but you probably only need like a couple of dots each day. So there's that. And then the last thing in here is by Murad. This is a very generous deluxe size sample. And Murad is a pretty, I don't want to say luxe skincare brand, but it's definitely a high-end skincare brand. This is their vitamin C cleanser. I was like, what is this? A serum? A scrub? It's a cleanser. It probably smells really good. I used to use Murad in my early 20s. I used their acne line like crazy. It was the only thing that worked for me, but I haven't really used it since. So pretty excited about that. So the Glam Bag Plus is a little bit more expensive, but you do get full-size products in this one. First thing is by the brand Verify, I think is how you say that. This is their 2020 eye cream. So this is a full-size eye cream, whereas the other one is an eye serum and it's a little tiny one. So I like the variation. This is really cool packaging. A gold lid, it's glass. This says it helps to reveal a bright and even skin tone, provides the skin with deep hydration, and visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Pretty much all you can ever ask for in an eye cream. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Tula. I have tried Tula skincare before. Their stuff is so fragrant though, and I don't love the scent, so I'm hoping this doesn't have a super strong scent. This is their Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Okay, I love me some sugar scrubs. Their packaging is so pretty. It's like that like mint green, like turquoisey color. I love it. Okay, this is scented, but it's not the fragrance that I was afraid it was going to have. It's definitely It's like a fresh, sweet scent, so much different from the scent I was, because their face wash is like really fragrant. Anyways, this one smells really good. I'm excited to try this. I love facial exfoliator. Okay, next thing in here feels huge. It is a, maybe it looks like an eyeshadow palette. Yeah, Intense Eyeshadow Palette by the brand Nomad Cosmetics. Never heard of this brand before. It says it's not for resale. It's an Ipsy Glam Bag exclusive. Packaging is beautiful. It does remind me, it's very Italy-esque. Like, it reminds me of like typical, like what movies show as Italy. And there's a little like Vespa on there. How cute is that? So, oh, beautiful neutral colors. I'm a neutral fan. I will admit it. I am a basic girl when it comes to my eyeshadow, and this just screams my name. Look at how pretty those colors are. Let's just swatch. Really soft. I wasn't expecting it to be that soft. Okay, next thing in my bag is, what is this? Day and Night Cream by QMS Medi Cosmetics. Never heard of them before. It sounds like something that would be sold in like a dermatologist office, right? Medi Cosmetics. This is 1.69 fluid ounces, so definitely a full-size moisturizer. This is beautiful packaging. It reminds me of like a tropical vacation. There's a very slight scent to it. It smells like products that are meant to be unscented but still have a scent. It's a nourishing cream power-packed with revitalizing vitamins and botanical marine complex to moisturize, protect, and renew skin all day and night. Interesting. I have never tried this brand before, so if you guys have, let me know. It feels, let's see, I mean, it smells good. It feels really heavy and luxurious as far as packaging goes. Let's see. It feels lightweight, not greasy, not sticky. Now that I'm smelling it, it kind of smells mature. Like maybe something my grandmother would use. But that shouldn't stray me away. Grandma probably knows what's right for her face, right? Okay, last thing in the bag is from Wander Beauty. I have definitely heard of Wander Beauty. They're sold at Sephora, maybe Ulta, definitely Sephora. So this is their Skyliner Automatic Gel Liner. I love like pencil gel liners. They're probably my favorite. I mean, pencil eyeliners in general, but when they're gel, there's just like that extra boost of like pigment. So I have a feeling my hands are all slippery because of the moisturizer. Okay, let's see what color. Oh, jet black, perfect. Okay, very creamy. That went on really nice. Is there an eyeliner? Yeah, or not eyeliner, sharpener. What am I talking about? Definitely a sharpener on the end. If you're unaware, most eyeliners, at least higher end eyeliners that have like a twisty, usually if you pull the end have a sharpener on them, and this one does. So if you want like a really precise tip and it's not budging, all you can ever ask for in an eyeliner is that it doesn't budge. And this, I mean, there's a little bit on my finger. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Packaging is pretty. It's like a wine color. All right, guys. Well, that is what was in my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. If you are a subscriber, these are some of the items that you might get in your bag. And if there's something that you really, really want, make sure you sign into your account and select the product so that way you know for sure it's going to be in your bag. Otherwise, it's a fun, happy surprise. That's the best part of these subscription services. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll talk to you next time. Mwah!